Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make egg pasta salad. First, let's get our pasta ready. You'll want to boil about 8 ounces of a small pasta shape, like elbow macaroni, in well-salted water until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain it thoroughly and give it a good rinse with cold water. This stops the cooking and helps prevent sticking. Make sure it cools completely before moving on to the next step. Next up, let's prepare our key ingredients. You'll need 6 hard-boiled eggs. Once cooled, peel and chop them into nice, small pieces. For some crunch and zest, finely dice about 1/2 cup of celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. And don't forget the fresh herbs. Grab about 1/4 cup of fresh parsley and chop it finely to add a lovely, vibrant touch to our salad. Now for the heart of our egg pasta salad. The dressing. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of tangy Dijon mustard. Then, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar for a little zing, along with 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Whisk all these ingredients together until the dressing is perfectly smooth and beautifully blended. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add your cooled pasta, chopped hard-boiled eggs, and all those finely diced vegetables into the bowl with our delicious dressing. Gently fold everything together, making sure every piece is beautifully coated. Once mixed, cover the salad and pop it into the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld perfectly, making it even more delicious.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.